Hello everyone, I am Carl Don Stover and I teach at Ellsworth Junior Senior High School, and I'm the FFA advisor there as well as the agriculture and education instructor. I teach a variety of different classes including animal science, horticulture, introduction to ag projects, small gas engines, welding 1, junior high agriculture, ag communications, ag business, and then I do have a few independent study kits as well. The FFA program runs with about 55 members. Also, I am a class sponsor for the freshmen. I am on the school and district leadership team and the professional development committee at my school. Throughout the FFA, I am on the State FFA Foundation Board of Directors and am active in the Kansas Association of Agriculture Educators. My school is Ellsworth Junior Senior High School, and we're a small 2A school in a small Kansas community. Outside of school, I own and operate a small Kansas farm and ranch. We raise purebred shorthorn cattle. I love being outside, and the last few days I've been helping my neighbors with wheat harvest, running a grain cart. I love to do anything outside, and I also enjoy baking goodies. I'm really excited about being in this class. Hopefully it'll help me just kind of further out and reach some of my goals. Some of my shorthorn goals is I'm hoping to finish my master's program here in 2020. I want to increase my knowledge about curriculum with an emphasis on hands-on application learning. I want to work hard to increase the pasture land, to increase cow herd size as well, kind of as a personal goal. Long-term goals, I want to move into an administrative position in education or the private sector and hopefully have a happy life and a productive age. Some of the things I hope to learn from this class is I want to learn how to analyze curriculum, especially how to select curriculum that would be appropriate for all students, especially in the different areas, core classes, but also electives. I'd also like to learn about how to map curriculum, especially mapping curriculum from start to finish, so that we see a uniform curriculum and we're not missing things with our students. And hopefully I can learn from my fellow classmates, my instructor, and also my current school on curriculum development and implementation. Thanks for watching, and everybody, I hope you have a great day.